all the technical trading strategies. And we'll also have Gaurang Shah, who will be answering all your fundamental queries. So let's get cracking. Our first caller, I think, is already standing by. We have Asha Rani, who calls us from New Delhi. She has investments in AB Money. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. How can we help you?
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैडम. आपका सवाल क्या है?
सर एक्चुअली मैंने 3000 एबी मनी के शेयर है मेरे पास. और वो है 22.50 के अप्रोक्सीमेट.
ओके.
मैं उसको होल्ड कर सकती हूँ 1 महीना 2 महीना, तो वो क्या बढ़ेंगे या फिर वो डाउन जाएंगे तो निकलना बेटर रहेगा?
ऑलराइट मैडम, बट आप लंबे समय के लिए होल्ड कर सकते हैं ये शेयर्स को?
मिनिमम 2 and 3 months मिनिमम.
Minimum 2 or 3 months. So 1 year tak you can hold it?
Yeah, of course, why not?
Okay, all right. So let's get a view then. We have Ashish who's with us in the studio. Hi Ashish, thanks so much for coming down today. What's your take? She's got these shares, she's sitting on a bit of a loss. She's saying that maybe she can stretch it to at least a year or so.
Okay, the overall trend for the stock has not been anywhere over the past 1 year. If you look, it has been moving, I think the prices, the high which it made was around 40 and the low is made around 18. So it has been moving all over the places within this zone. So unless and until we see a clear break on the upside, she should not expect much from it. However, she can hold on for now and use 18 as a very important stop loss. And in case the stock manages to cross about 24, we can start seeing some kind of a momentum. So for now, she can hold on to the stock. Pretty good because this stock has seen decent enough correction from 1850 levels to around 1050, and where she has entered is a very good price, I would say. And for the first time in over a year, we are seeing that it is trying to flirt again around 100 days exponential average. So that shows that there can be some possibility of the uptrend starting from here. However, she should, if she is a short-term trader, then she should definitely use a stop loss, and it will be somewhere around 1100. And I would suggest that she should have the time horizon of 6 months to 1 year. Then definitely she has to hold on to the stock, and she can expect target of 1400 eventually in the stock.
All right. What's your take? Another investor there that's making some losses, but she's a long-term investor. Has she picked the right stock for the longer term?
Nigel, overall the trend for this stock is definitely positive. If you look since 2011, this stock has been moving higher. However, there is not very strong trending move, I would say, because it goes up, then it corrects a bit, then again goes up. So the trend is positive for sure. So she can definitely hold on to the stock and use as 300 as a very important stop loss, because in case it moves back below 300, then there will be the first indication that the long-term trend is probably turning on downside. So for now, hold on to the stock, and I think this stock should cross above 400, and over long term, it's definitely a promising bet.
Okay.